Hi students, this is Mujfa Banu working in Achyuta Public School as a mathematics teacher. We are going to learn maths in an innovative way. So let us move on to my class. So welcome to my virtual classroom. Today's class is about addition of integers, right? So we are going to see the addition of integers in a very new method. Shall we proceed? Yes, see here. Let us learn this concept by playing a game. Shall we start? Okay. See here, what do you see? It is a plus. Now, you have in mind that if you want to play a game, you must need to understand the rules, right? So, I am going to tell the rules and you are going to follow the rules, okay? So, plus means you think of heroes. So, plus means what? Heroes. You can see, here are the heroes, most of your favorite heroes, right? So, what is about the minus? Minus means you think of the villains. So, minus means what? Villains. And plus means what? Heroes. This is the first rule of the game that you are going to remember, okay? Now, I will explain the second rule. Now, I am going to explain to you the second rule. The second rule is, see, when two heroes meet or when few heroes meet, they will never fight, right? And then, when the villains meet, they will never fight. Understood? So, what is the second rule? If the heroes meet, they will not fight. And if the villains meet, they will not fight. Okay. Now, coming to the third rule, when a hero and a villain, they meet each other, they are going to fight. Right? So, remember what are the three rules? Heroes means plus, that is positive. Villains means minus, that is negative. And the second rule is, when two heroes meet or many heroes meet, they will not fight. Similarly, when the villains meet, they will not fight. What about the third rule? When a hero and a villain meet, they fight. So, how do they fight? One hero is going to fight with one villain as a pair. Okay? Remember these three rules. Now, we will move on to the concept. We will move into the concept. So, first I have taken a sum which gives plus 5 plus 3. That is positive 5 added to positive 3. So, do you remember the first rule? What is the first rule? Positive means heroes or you can take heroines. You can see the board here. These are your favorite Disney heroines, right? So, shall we do the sum by play as a game? So, see here. For plus 5, what I am going to do? I am going to take 5 heroines. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 heroines I have taken. That is plus 5. Next, for plus 3, what I am going to do? I am going to take 3 heroines. Remember, positive means we denote them as hero or heroines. So, 1, 2 and 3. 3 heroines I have taken. So, this is plus 3. Now, remember the second rule. What is the second rule? When heroes meet, two heroes meet or many heroes meet, they will not fight. Now, see here, think this as a battlefield. Like they are going to fight. So, 5 heroines come to the battlefield from above. Think that they are coming from above. And 3 heroines, they are coming to this battlefield from below. Now, they came in the mind of fighting, but when they come and see here, they are very excited, right? Because all those which are all present here are heroines. So, they are not going to fight. So, see here, this is a battlefield. In this battlefield, how many of the people do you see? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, totally you have 8 persons. Since they are heroine, which sign you have to use? You have to use plus sign. You have seen here, no? Plus 5 plus 3. I am going to write this here. So, plus 5 and plus 3. Now, what we have got? Can you see here? We have got plus 8. See here, we have got plus 8. So I am going to write that plus 8 here. So what is the meaning? We had 5 heroines and we had 3 heroines. Total we are having 8 heroines. So you see now I will explain to you the rule. That is, if you have same sign, see the answer what you have got. What is your sign? In the answer, it is a positive sign. What this positive sign only is there in the question also. So if you have same sign, then you have to put the same sign for the answer. And what about the number? How do you get the number? We added the numbers. So you add the numbers. Understood? So this is our concept actually. According to the game, what is the rule? Positive means hero or heroine, and since both the side who are coming for the fight, both the side also there are heroines, the fight is not going to happen. So at last at the battlefield, we are counting the total heroines. Since they are heroines, we are putting the positive sign. According to this, when you understand the concept, you must know that when you have the same sign for the answer, you put the same sign and the numbers you have to add and write the numbers. Understood? Now, we'll move on to the second concept. What I have given here? -2 plus -3. You remember what is minus? Minus means villain. See what I have kept for villain? They are the junk foods. Junk foods are the villain to our health, right? So for -2, I have kept 2 junk foods. And for -3, I have kept 3 junk foods. 1, 2 and 3. Now you think that this is a battlefield where they are going to fight. So they have come to the battlefield. After they came, what do they see? Both the sides are villains. Whether the villains will fight? No. What is the rule of the game? According to the second rule, the villains never fight. So after coming to the battlefield, what do we see? We see a set of villains. So totally how many villains are there? You see, count here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So totally how many villains are there? There are 5 villains. So villains means what sign we have to use? Minus. So what we got? We got -5. What is our question? -2 plus -3. What is our answer? Our answer is -5. What we have got here? We got -2 minus 3 is -5. So -2 minus 3, we got -5. So what is the concept here? We have same sign. We have same sign. Even though it is a positive sign or negative sign, the same sign comes in the answer also. So in question, if there is same sign, means in question, if there is same sign for all the numbers, then in the answer we get the same sign. And what about the number? See, 2 plus 3 is 5. We have added the numbers. So, add the numbers. Understood? Yes. Now coming to the next question. See the question what I have given, +9 plus -2. Here we have plus and minus. So remember plus means what? Our favorite heroes. So what is the number I have given here? 9. So I have kept 9 heroes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 heroes. So plus 9. Now coming to minus 2. So villains. We need 2 villains. So 1, 2. 2 villains. Now come to the third rule. I told no, a hero and a villain is there, means they are going to fight. So we choose one hero and one villain. Okay. So what I am going to do is, I am going to choose a villain. For this I am going to choose a hero. Okay. And then they both are paired. They are going for the fight. Okay. Next you see here, there is another villain. For this villain I am choosing another hero. Now they both has gone to fight. Now see what is left out. When the pair of villain and hero has gone for fight, you see what is left out. We are left out with heroes. So how many heroes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 heroes are there. Heroes means what sign you have to put? You have to put plus sign. Understood? What we have seen? Plus 9 minus 2. This is our question now. And another thing I will tell you, whenever you write integers addition, write the bigger number at the top. After that you can write the smaller number. Okay. So see here, what we have got? We got plus 7 as the answer. What is our answer? Our answer is plus 7. So our answer is plus 7. Now coming to the concept. You see, in question we have different signs. In question we have different signs. Now what about our answer? In our answer, what we have got? We have got plus sign. What does this plus denote? For which number does this plus come? It comes for 9. 9 is the bigger number. 9 is the bigger number. Or we can tell 9 is a greater number, right? So, when you have different sign, in our answer, you put the greater number sign. You put the greater number sign. And then what about the sign is the greater number sign. What about the number? Now this number, how we got? After subtraction, you see 9 minus 2 only we will get 7, right? So we have to subtract the numbers. Understood? We have to subtract the numbers. So what is the concept we are learning here? When you have different sign in the question, you have for the answer, put the greater number sign and you subtract the number. When you do the addition, no, you don't get confused with the sign and the numbers. Here, you think as separate one. Okay, sign is entirely different and think the numbers is different. Then only you will know what is to be written here and what is to be written here. What sign you should put, and for the numbers whether you should add or subtract, you will know then clearly. Now for the last one, I have plus 3 and minus 6. This is your favorite anime characters, right? So plus 3 means I have kept 3 positive characters, and for minus 6 I have kept 6 negative characters. So 1, 2, 3. 3 positive characters. So plus 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 negative characters minus 6. Now coming to the third rule of the game. One character goes to fight with another character of the villain. Now one positive character goes to fight with one negative character, and again one positive character goes to fight with one negative character. Now you see what is left out. We have negative characters left out. So how many is left out? 1, 2 and 3. 3 is left out. 3 left out. They are negative characters, villains. So I am putting that as minus 3. We had plus 3 and minus 6. What answer we have got? Do you remember? Yes, it is minus 3. So see here, in question we have different signs. So different sign, and in answer what we have got? In answer we have got minus. Minus belongs to which number? It belongs to the greater number 6. So we write, different sign means we put the greater number sign, and what about the number? See, we have got 3. 3 means 6 minus 3 is only 3. So we subtract the numbers. What are you doing with the numbers? We subtract the numbers. So different sign means we put the greater number sign, and for the number we subtract the numbers. Now let me revise you the concept. Okay, I am going to take a sum in which I am writing minus 7 and minus 3. Okay, for our easy understanding I am writing the bigger number. 7 is the bigger number, no? So bigger number I am writing first. So you see here, minus means villain, again minus means villain. We know that villain and villain comes means our answer will also have villain. Villain means what sign we have to put? Minus sign. Now we know villains don't fight, so together at last at the battlefield we have only villains. So total we will find 7 plus 3, that is we add the number. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So you see we have same sign. So our answer also has same sign, and the numbers we have added. Now coming to the second one, I am taking plus 5 plus 8. As I told you already, write the greater number first. So plus 8, and I am writing plus 5. Now you see here, plus means hero, again plus means hero. So our answer will also have hero. Hero means positive sign. We know heroes and heroes, they are not going to fight. So we will add the heroes. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So according to our concept, same sign means put the same sign and add the numbers. Now coming to the third one, minus 4 plus 7. So write the bigger number first. So plus 7 and minus 4. You see here we have heroes, and minus 4 means they are villains. Who is more? Hero is more. So our answer will have heroes. Heroes means plus. So what will do? 7 heroes and 4 villains means pair will go for, each pair will go for 5, no? So the remaining only we are going to find. Remaining means subtraction. So 7 minus 4, it is 3. Now coming to the concept, we have different signs. Put the greater number sign. 7 is the greater number which has positive sign. So put the plus sign and subtract the numbers. Now for the last one, we have minus 9 plus 5. So minus 9 write first and plus 5 write next. 9 is, it has minus sign, so it is villain, and positive sign means it is hero. Who is greater? Villain is more villains. So our answer will have more villains. Villain means minus sign. How many will be remaining? There will be 4. So according to our concept, different sign means put the greater number sign. So only I told better you write the greater number first. So it is easy for you to put the sign. So put the greater number sign and subtract the numbers. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you, viewers.